How to delete YouTube account on phone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type YouTube. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner and enable desktop site. Now once you enable it, tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now tap on settings. Now wait for some time. Now on the settings page, tap on manage your channels. Now tap on the channel. Now go to advanced settings. Now tap on delete channel. Now wait for some time. Now enter your password and tap on next to delete your channel. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.